Yo, what's up guys, it's your guy shapiroacid once again. And guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you'll be able to get free websites within 15 minutes. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, I'm shapiroacid and I do video, I create content about how to make money online. So anything that I've do and have worked for me, I come here and record a video about it and I post it, and I have proof of everything that I used to do here. So guys, make sure if you're somebody that is looking for a way to make money online, make sure you didn't click off this video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you get free website. So let's start everything. First, what you need to do is what I'm going to YouTube to show my channel and to show what is my channel more about. So let's click. I'm just trying to, I didn't log in. It's okay, here we are. So guys, let me show you my profile once again to show you my channel and the kind of videos that I have on my channel. So I will click on the channel. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay guys, as you can see that this is shapiroacid, and you can see I have a bunch of videos here. So let me go to the videos column and let me show you the type of videos that I have here. So I have a bunch of video here that I used to do about, you can see how to get free bundle. You can say that how I make money. You can say how to create a gig on Fiverr. You can see 6 apps that pay you $1,000 within a minute. You can see how to get paid. You can see Teespring, and I have a lot of videos there that will help you to make money online. You can see build the raw and how to get free bundle, free airtime. All is there. So guys, this is your first time, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon below so that I can be notified anytime I drop more videos. So without wasting much time, let's type in google dot site. So that's the site that we are going to visit, how to create a free website. So first you have to type in google.site. So let's click on the site and let's see what to bring us. Okay, yeah, I'm sure I have a poor network, but don't worry, I'll fix it right now. Okay, so sorry guys, it's not google.site, it's Google site. So make sure you type in Google site. So the Google site, you click on the first one, which says what site.google.com. that's the first one there. So all that you need to do is what, just to click on the first one. So I hope if it's your first time, I hope you're following. You can see that says welcome to the new Google site. Just click on got it. So if you have clicking on the right thing, this is how your own have to appear. You can see you have a bunch of templates there. You have the blank, which one if you want to create it yourself. You have the portfolio, you have the event, and you have the help center. So let's use the portfolio for now. That's a free template for you there to use. So I'm going to click on the portfolio. It's a free template for us to use to create out our website. So I'm clicking on it. And guys, before everything else, or before I'll show you anything else, Google is giving a free domain. You have to use domain for your website, but Google is giving us what, a free domain. This is where you can get a free domain. So it's a free domain you're going to use. So then at the end of the video, I'll show you how this free domain work. Okay guys, this is how the screen will look like. You can see this out. Hi, I am, the name, a row, and your location. So all that you need to do, all that you need to do here is double click on it, then you clean what is written there, and maybe write your own name or the name of your site that you want to, the name of what your page that you're writing, or the name of what your site you're writing. So you can say hi, I'm shapiroacid, then the row, let's clean it, maybe let's make something like a blogger. So sorry, a blogger. Okay, then the from. So make sure that your country you are from, rather country that you are from. So after clicking on everything, after doing everything, you can see let me write something like Ghana. So okay, that's why. So after, you can even change the image here. If you don't like the image, click on the three dots there, and you can see that you see was replace loan or reload and also select image. So you can decide to select your image there. You can see it says select a work, and name of presentation, name of project, and name of video. So those are you can post video there, name of everything that you want to do on the site there. So the site, you can be able to do everything at all that you want to do on your site. So within some few minutes, I will show you how to create a blog. That one there, hold on, that's why I say don't click off this video. Those who want to a blog, this one is a website, a page. So those who want to create a blog, I will show you how you can create a blog in your name. So let's hop up into the video. So let's go back, let's click back. So those who want to create a blog, all that you need to do is, I've seen the three dots there, three dots at the top there where they have written template gallery. Yours is just to click on it. So click on the three dots. After clicking on the three dots, then you scroll down. So let's scroll down and see what is the down. You can just scroll down, you can see something event and what we have something called project. So click on the project. So let's click on the project, guys. That is the way you'll be able to click create a blog. So make sure that you stick to me with the video. So after clicking on it, let's wait for it to load. Okay, But guys, those who want to own a website without using Google free domain, you can contact me and I'll give you a way to buy your domain and create your own website and be making money online. So after you have come, okay, so you can see they say what, create your own team. So just click off it, and you can see that they see the name of the project at the top there. So just to double click on it and let's click that name, then the name of your blog, the blog that you are coming to write. So I'm choosing a random name because we can decide. Okay, let me calm down. Somebody will not understand the meaning of blog. Blog is about a news or an event or something that you want to post for people to see. So you can see the name that I've written there. It's like COVID-19 update, and this is what people will be something that people will like what to read about. And after people have clicking on your link, enter your page, you will make money for doing that. So all that I'm trying to do here at this page here, I'm trying to design the page wall, change the name of the page, write description, change the image. That's the only thing that I'm trying to do here. So as you can see, I'm just giving title to the blog, and that's the coronavirus. This one, COVID-19 update, is the first thing that when people click or visit your blog, is the first thing that they are going to see there. You can see the one line description. So let's cram the mission of our project. So you can even double click on the mission of our project. So let me double click on it and delete all. So let's delete all. Okay guys, my machine is having a problem. Let me fix it. Okay, boom, I'm done. So now let's continue. So where they are writing mission of the project, we write out mission of our blog or mission of your blog or your blog. So anything at all, yeah, you see that it will be viable, that's what you are going to write there. Okay, so after writing that, I'll scroll down for you all to see. Okay, I'm having a problem here. Okay, now you scroll down, you can see you have effort 1, effort 2, effort 3, and effort 4. Yeah. Those are the places that you'll be writing your article. Those are the places that you can write your article. So yours is just click on it and write your article there. So now let's scroll back. You can see the next thing I'm here to show you is after finish everything, just click on the publish sign at the top there. So when you look downwards, you can see that we have something there called sites.google.com before the name of your blog will come. Everything. So that's the free domain that Google is giving to you. And guys, here the reason why you can see the red line coming is that any name that you tap here to give to your blog and they have rejected it, that means somebody have used it before. As you can see that the first time I wrote COVID-19 update and I stopped, because somebody have already taken the name, so I have to add something to it. So let me add 2. Somebody have taken it, so let me add maybe something like 3, and let's see if they will approve it. Okay, so nobody have written blog about or COVID-19 update 3. So yours is approved. So you click on that publish. When you think that you are finished with everything, you are done with everything, click on publish and publish it. Okay, so you can see you can click on the view. So guys, this is a blog that you are creating. This is a blog, a personal blog you are creating. So after creating the blog, after you finish creating, this is the blog. So after finish creating the blog, I'm going to show you how you can create a page in the blog, in that same blog, how to create a page in it. So you can see the mission of blog. So anything that you have written here, you can see all will be available here. So after everything, now I'm going to let's hop up into. You can see the blog. You can see we have something like the home, the history, the theme, and the fact. You can see the things that we have at the blog there. So I hope by now everybody is following what I'm teaching here, and I hope we have grabbed every places of my teachings here. So let's continue. So now let's go back to where we have edited our blog. So let's go back and let me show you something. Okay, so this is where we have edited our blog. So now let me show you something here. You can see that at your corner there you have something called insert, pages, and themes. So all you need to do is just click on pages. You can see that the pages that we have here is the same pages that when you publish your blog, it's the same pages that you have. You can see we have home, history, theme, fact. Yet we have home, history, theme, fact. So as you can see, you can edit any of these things here. You can edit any of them here. You can see. So that's what will appear for people to see. So you can decide to delete some of them and add some of them. So to delete them, just click on the 3 dots there and click on delete. So I'm coming to delete the flag and the theme for you all to see. So you can decide to delete the pages there and also add another pages there. So you click on the 3 dots there, click on delete, and all will be deleted. So let's go back, click on page. I'm trying to do it again for you to see. So click on page, come here, right click on the three dots and click on what, the delete sign and out. Wait for it to be deleted. You can see that it have been deleted. So you can even decide to add a new one, and to add a new one to it, all that you need to do is just to click on the plus sign. So I'm going there again for you to see something. Okay guys, before I go there, I would like to teach something. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, let me fix something here and continue. Okay. So before you can add blog, you can add another page. All that you need to do, okay, let's see something here. You can see that after deleting those two items, I will try and show you how it look like. So you can see that the first one that we have did and the second current one that we have did, you can see at the right here they are saying changes, the deleted team, deleted artifact. So everything that you do on your site will appear as you have done it. There will not be any faulty thing, or there will not be any mistake thing. So guys, I don't want to make this video long, so I'll hop up straight to the how you'll be able to write your page. Okay, now so here we are again. So if you want to write a page, all that you need to do, okay, before that I would like to show my website to you, my blog to you. So this is shapiroacid, as you can see at the top there. So those who want to visit the blog post, you can write, you can go to shapiroacid.blogpost.com, my blog post. So as you can see, this is my blog post, and this is the it's just a new blog post I have created, so I don't have much pages inside. So you can see at the top there, I have artist profile, I have new music, I have new tape, and how to make money online and all those kind of things. So I can decide to add some of them and also delete some of them. So that's my blog. So let's go back now. How to add a page to it, like how to have done. So all that you need to do is click. You can see that you have down there, you have something, a plus sign there. So all that we need to do is click on the plus sign and click on new page. So let me close that one and do it again. Okay, no, that's another page, but let's leave that page for now. Okay, click on new page now. Okay, new page. Okay guys, you can see that you have written new page in the name. So the name that you want to give to your blog, that's what we are going to write here. So remember, we are writing something about COVID-19 update. So I'm coming to write an article about COVID-19 update. So I'm clicking on, you can see how it appear. So you can decide to change the font style, make it bold, and change the color, everything of what we have written there. So after doing all those things, what I need to do again is double click at the empty space there. So double click on it. Let me double click and click on text. Okay, you guys. So this is where you type you write the articles for people to read. As you can see, write anything at all for people to read. And you can even click on that thing again and click on image. So you can even insert any image at all into your blog. But this I have just formatted my machine and I don't have any image on my machine right now. Like, I will insert an image for you to see. But let's go to photos. Okay guys, I don't have any photos on my machine right now, so that's why I will not be able to add a photo. But that's the way that when you have photo on your machine, that's the way to add the photo into your page. So it's very simple. It's very simple that everybody can create it. If you are a beginner too, you'll be able to create a free website without paying any amount of money. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hashtag click on us. Let's get this free website. What that will do is that will make this video to reach every person out there. So as you can see, after writing everything, after you have finished writing everything, and you know that okay, where you are done with writing and all those things. And before anything else, I'll show you how to add a hyperlink to it. Those who have link, you can see that when you scroll down, you can see how nicely that I've done my own here. It's very nice. As you can see, it's very nice. But it's a new website that I've created. I've not updated anything yet. I'm not doing anything yet. I've not added any Google Ads to it yet, but I'll be yet to do that. You can see how nicely that I have done mine. So let's go back. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is how to add a link. So you highlight the place that you want to add the hyperlink. Then you click on the three dots there. You click on this arrow, click on it, and you paste your link here. You can see, so paste your link there and click on apply, and the link will be there for you to see. So after everything, just click on publish, and they will still review the current one and the old one to you again for you to see the changes that you have done. And if you think that everything is intact, everything's in place, all that you need to do again is just to click on the publish sign again. So click on the publish sign again, and let's wait for it to be populated. Okay guys, so you can see that, and let's click on view. So when you click on the view, you view how your website or your blog is like. So you can see the things that are written there is there, the picture, the email. And when you click on it, that those 3 plus sign there, you can see that the sidebar. When you click on the sidebar there, you can see you have COVID-19, you have the home, you have the all those things there. So guys, this is how to create a free website. And once again, please, if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hashtag click on let's get this free website. That will make us this video to go fast. So I'm begging you, I don't want to make this video fast, so I'm trying to end it here. So this is my channel. Subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I drop more video. And if you want to make money with this kind of method, if you want to make money with this website, just let me know in the comment section. Bye, I'm out.